Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with a patient who traveled from California to Deuk Spine Institute here in Florida for back pain that he's been suffering with for about 7 years.
Yes.
He's a father and he takes care of his family. It's been really hard for him to do so. He's actually gone for surgery already in the past. I think you had 5 surgeries done?
Yes, I have 5.
And that was done elsewhere?
Yes.
We won't mention. You can say the name. Go ahead. Tell us your story. We want to hear it.
So I'll say this quickly if I can. So I come from San Jose, California. I had several procedures in the beginning of the year by the Bonatti Spine Institute here in Florida.
With the hope that it would get rid of your back pain.
And it did not.
It did not.
Everything they said they were going to do, they did the opposite. If anything, it left me more physical and I want to say mental pain.
Horrible back pain.
Very. It's an understatement.
And you have a child that relies on you. You have a family that relies on you to be healthy.
Absolutely. I have a 19-year-old autistic child that me and my wife take care of. And I mean, I can go on and hours about that, and it requires my help. If not greater part of the day, I'm also a business owner of a painting company in San Jose, which my employees rely on me. So long story short to all that, a lot of people rely on me. If I cannot even stand or sit up for any time of the day, I feel useless. Stabbing pain in my back, my lower back, my buttocks to my legs, it was just there constantly. I had my surgery done yesterday. Dr. Deuk here took it away. It's gone. I feel a little bit of my surgery stuff, but other than that, I don't even really feel that, to be honest with you. I don't. I'm able to sit up straight. I'm not trying to compensate what side of my body to sit on. I'm actually sitting straight. So.
How does it feel to know that pain you lived with for 7 years, that's hounded you for 7 years in your back? How does it feel to know it's gone now?
It feels fantastic. It feels great. It feels like a little too good to be true, but it's gone. It's literally gone. I have to learn how to feel good again and just take it step by step.
Now, when people get open back surgery, doctors put them on narcotic painkillers, opioids. Are you on any opioids from us?
No, none.
You took Tylenol maybe last night? And
I didn't even take that, and didn't need to take that.
So basically no painkillers?
None, no painkillers.
Because this incision is just 7 millimeters. You can see in his surgery, we made a tiny little cut on his back, and we showed his scars from the other surgeries he's had elsewhere that he mentioned, and there's all these scars on his back, and all those scars and all that surgery, what did it do for you at the Bonatti?
It made me not believe in any doctors. It made me scared. It really did. I come from a background that, when you shake someone's hand and you look them in the eye, they say, we're going to take care of you. That's what I do. I'm in a service business. So when I tell somebody not to worry, I got you, I mean that. So when Dr. Deuk said not to worry, we're going to take care of this, I was kind of a little bit okay. I wasn't overly excited because I didn't want to overexcite myself. I wanted to see what happened. But right now, I'm literally jumping inside. I'm jumping, yes. So I'm very happy and very thrilled.
I'm so happy that you're doing well and that we've made a big difference in your life and the life of your family. I met your mother. Yes. She's very sweet. She's here to help take care of you. Anything you want to tell your family or friends out there that are going to watch your video and your experience here at Deuk Spine?
I would like to say, and if I can say this, I know there's a lot of testimonials, but if you have any problems, if you really do, come here. Come to Deuk Spine Institute. They'll take care of you. From the first phone call to setting up the initial timing of having Dr. Deuk look at the imaging and your report, they'll come over and get it done. Have him take a look at it. He gives you a no BS type attitude, straightforward. And if he's going to help you, he's going to help you. And you're not alone after that as well. I feel very welcomed here. Even though I live in California, I'm not being rushed to go back home. From the staff here, from the front office telling me hello and whatnot, I'm very welcomed here. And I feel that I have a spine doctor for life. If need be, if I need to come back again for anything else.
And I don't think you're going to need to come back. And one thing that I want to emphasize is the other surgeries you had done at the Bonatti. It's not that the Bonatti is a bad place in any way, in my opinion. They just did the old-fashioned laminectomy, microdiscectomy. And the problem is that surgery doesn't address the pathology, what's causing people's back pain. Because the problem that's causing your pain is the disc. And they're coming from the back, removing bones and ligaments in the back of the spine. They're not getting up to clean the tear in the disc. You got to do the annular debridement, folks, if you want to get rid of back pain. And laminectomies and microdiscectomies, they don't do that. So that's why people have such bad experiences with those types of procedures. It's not necessarily the doctor, it's the procedure that's bad. The problem is the doctors are recommending that to patients. There's a far better new technology now, the Deuk laser disc repair. Would you agree?
Absolutely, 1000%, absolutely. Thank you again, Dr. Deuk.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, sir.
My
Thank
pleasure.
You. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
That's why we're here.
Thank you.
All right.